Hi guys! Nag-iisip ka ba na mag-start ng sarili mong food and beverage business? Or gusto mong mag-upscale na hindi ka mapapahiya sa lasa? At ang price is very affordable pero quality? Let Easy Brand make it easy for you. So nag-drop by ako sa Easy Brand F&B Fair last July 27, 2025 sa SMX Convention Center, where I saw how Easy Brand is already working behind the scenes. May paraffle pa sila, so let's see kung mananalo na ako this time. We saw a lot of cakes nung pumasok kami. Meron pala silang pa-cake contest dito gamit ang whipmate ng Easy Brand. So this signature coffee beans na directly from Benguet pa talaga. It's so nice how they support local beans. Available ang milk tea and coffee essentials. Ang daming variants, mapa-liquid or powder-based. So nag-start na nga ang program. Makikita nyo din dito ang mga collaborations nila with different trusted brands pagdating sa mga kakailanganin mo sa pagnenegosyo. And Mateo G is also in the house. So nag-start na nga kami mag-ikot-ikot. Meron silang signature cocktail station dito na may pa-free taste and easy pro sauces like cheese sauce, powder and liquid na to. May chili sauce, sour cream, gravy powder mix, premium honey butter, and in fairness, ang sarap niya ha. Meron ding salted egg powder mix, sweet and sour sauce, at marami pang iba. Perfect itong Easy Brand sa may mga milk tea kiosk, takoyaki cart, coffee shop, Korean style drinks, and many more. Meron din silang soft serve vanilla and chocolate ice cream. So why is Easy Brand for you? First, less food cost. All-in-one basis na to na may sweetener at flavor. Kahit walang cream at syrup. At ang shelf life niya mga 1 year, hindi na kailangang i-ref. Second, ang taste consistency. And ang third, fast preparation or less labor. Mas magaan sa manpower kasi shaker ready or blender blend lang ang basis. Syempre sa pagnenegosyo, ang una mong iisipin is quality taste, food costing, packaging, and training. And Easy Brand is here to make our lives easier regarding sa pag-i-start ng business. So sa mga planning pa lang and business owners na gustong i-level up ang kanilang mga ino-offer, visit na kayo sa kanilang physical store na located sa 736 Banaue Street, Quezon City. Ayun lang, bye-bye!